Well, we just left the boat, or I'm sorry, the ship. We're on the boat. Day 18 of our 23-day Transpacific cruise finds us in Lahaina, Maui, Hawaii. We are tendered ashore by the explorers' lifeboats to tour Lahaina and do some shopping. We return to the ship for lunch, only to depart later with Bonnie, Willie, Jack, and Jeannie to attend the drums of the Pacific Luau. Hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please subscribe, click the notification bell to be notified of future videos. Feel free to leave any comments, ideas, or suggestions, and thanks for watching. Aloha! Headed into Maui.
Have a nice day.
Aloha.
Tours.
Oh, thank you.
Maui private tour?
Yeah, let's do all six. Look, right here.
Which one? Okay,
This one.
Okay, we'll do all six.
All right, you gonna put the girls up
Honey,
front?
hold.
Put the girls up
Okay,
front.
we go.
I don't know, I might hide somebody.
This way.
Whaling and trade ships. Center of government.
Freeze there.
It's the old courthouse. Now look at this guy. What's this called, Willie?
I have no idea.
A bunch of great big trees?
Those are big trees. That is
And
unbelievable.
is this the one that roots itself? The branches come down and...
I have no idea, but it's awesome
What?
looking.
Where's my botanist when I need one?
Your botanist? Just think of a tree house you could build in here.
And make the Swiss Family Robinson look like child's play, huh?
This is cool, man. This is cool. The income. I'm going.
I think he called you some names. Because I know he wouldn't talk to me like
I
that.
think it was a mime. Talk to you like that. Oh, God.
Lahaina Shores Beach Resort. The old forts are reconstructed walls of coral and sand at the seaward corners of the old fort, which dominated Lahaina roads and the town from about 1832. Well, this is the tender going back. A lot less people. Everybody seems to be pouring in now. It's about 10 o'clock. Thank you. Well, Call-Lahaina, Maui, on the bow of the ship on an overcast day. Beautiful weather though. Mid-70s, low humidity, very nice. Little breeze.
Oh, good God, there's an arm involved. Look at that. Jeez.
Oh, look, she's going to bail us out. Let me turn it around.
Wait, Bonnie,
Thank
get back
you.
here.
Gotta wait for Larry, when Larry gets
Gotta wait
done.
for Larry to get done. Can you
Maybe
see
here, I'll
everybody
get a
fit?
film of the people
Oh,
taking
God. You gotta lower it down, Larry. Lower it down.
Ready?
Good.
Yeah.
Okay, here you are. Here's your house. What's that
Thank
signal?
you.
Do the signal.
Okay, now she's going to be Steven Spielberg.
Do the signal. Come on. You're good. You did good. Thank you. I want to zoom
Enjoy the show.
Thank you.
Thank you.
That meant he's having a non-alcoholic Mai Tai.
in the world, drums of the Pacific. You're
Well, in the tender returning from the luau. That's the way the Explorer looks at night with the lights on. Well, the cruise is coming to an end. 5 more days at sea and then we reach our final port, which is Seattle. One more video of this series, but then we're going to start with our Lumapalooza. So stay tuned.